Yeah, I was too liberal on the bleach, obviously. So what I did was I went back to the hair store. I asked my friend what to do. I'm gonna walk out to that process of how I fixed it. So I asked the young lady. I said I messed up. Showed her a picture. I said what I do. She said, "Oh, get the jet black dye and this little brush thing. All you're gonna do is part it up in the sectionals. You're gonna sectional it up. Get the brush and just put the hair coloring on it." I said, "Okay." And then what I do? She said, "Oh, we're gonna get to that in a second." So look, I'm splitting them up because right now I'm like, you can see the orange in there. See the orange? You see it? Y'all see it? Ooh, she orange, y'all. It's all good though. We could fix it. It just added a extra step in the process. So I'm reading the label like, all right, because now I'm nervous. I've been nervous this whole day. I'm like, man, what I do? So just put it in there. It don't even say shake the bottle, but I shook it anyway. I shook the bottle anyway. It don't even say that on the bottle. It says I just shook it anyway. So let me just put this in here. I ain't put that much. Look at that. Ain't that much because I was nervous. I was still nervous. So let me get this. It's like painting. Now I gotta be Picasso. Now I gotta be Rembrandt. Was he a painter? I don't know. Michelangelo, if you will. Right there. We don't want to get too much. See, I stopped. I was nervous. I ain't want to mess up. Tell me I was nervous. Look at that. Ooh. But that boy did a good job. He did a good job. I look at him. With ever so much gentleness and ease. What he's doing now is dying images. That's my Bob Ross impersonation. Anyway, so after I do that, I got the comb and I just combed that color through the hair. Combed it through. Look at that. Got some more. Same technique. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this was easier than what I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all on that. This was way more easier. Cause it looked harder, from me Googling and all this other stuff. So let me try this, man. Cause this is my first human hair unit I did. I was fooling with the synthetic, that synthetic, a little different, but do I have a preference? Yeah, I'd rather deal with this human hair. It's softer, gives us more volume. It doesn't tangle as easy. You know what I'm saying? You can maneuver how you want throughout the piece, throughout the unit. You can maneuver how you want, and that's what I like. Because once I opened that human hair, I was like, ooh, this different. I said, no wonder they be trying to get that human hair. And I think that, this Brazilian bundles. Look at that. Ooh. I stood up. I was like, ooh, because I got the light on. I said, ooh, all right, I could do this. This when I start getting my confidence. Look at me. See, it's all on the wrist now. Look at the wrist. That boy said, ooh, you got confidence. Yeah. Part up. Because the brush thing, I don't know the proper term for this brush thing, but it got that thing on it. Ain't like a rat tail. And see, you get this bad camera work. But y'all saw the before picture. And I'm going to show y'all. I have to look at that orange. The bronze. It's bronze. I guess that's a similar hue. Bronze and orange. Look at the hue. Look at that. But we laying that down. Don't miss a spot. Right there. Yeah. With ever so much touch and class. Because the one thing I ain't want to do, I ain't want to get it on the lace either. Because I ain't know, like, if I get on the lace, is the lace going to be black now? Or whatever. And I didn't want that. So anyway, in this I forgot. I don't even know what they call this. I guess it's just a rinse, a dye in the hair. I don't even know. What's the term for this? Anybody know? Y'all know. Y'all don't need me to repeat it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that was that. I'm look at that. Look at the front. Oh, what was I thinking? It was too loose. The consistency wasn't good. That's my fault though. I'll be back in a sec. So yeah, at this point, I'm just going over the everything else, make sure I ain't missing no spots. You know, sometimes you got to put 2 coats of paint on that wall. You know what I'm saying? So I said, let me just make sure I'm not missing anything. Cause like I said, it started coming out better than I expected it to. But you know, familiarity breeds content. So I was like, all right, I'm cool with the process. I can do this. And I had a couple of hiccups just on some, like, I didn't want to mess this up because this hair ain't cheap. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to get up off it. Now at this point in time, as I combed through, I was like, man, I wonder if. And I use my styrofoam here because I ain't want to get all that color on my good mannequin heads. Cause I ain't know if that stuff come out. Like I ain't. Anyway, look. So I'm putting it down. I said, man, cause and I said, let me go to the part where, people usually part their head at. Don't mind me. I'm just shaking the head up a little bit. Just shaking it. It's not. I just had to, get that hair right. Comb it through. Comb through. Comb through. See the technique? Yeah. Alright, so now I'm checking my work and she looking so greasy by the scalp. I'm like, man, ain't no way in the world it's gonna work. So now I'm doing a little more than I need to. I'm doing too much. But it's still looking like the outside. Remember the movie The Outside? She's looking like Pony Boy by the head. Hey, Pony. Anyway, look, so now I'm trying like, man, because the next step in the process is to rinse all this out. So I'm just going through, making sure I ain't missing no spots. Because, you don't want a splash of brines in the head. You know what I'm saying? Like that wouldn't look good. But look, it's still grease. I said, man, you know what? At the end of the day, I'm doing okay to say this is my first time doing this, And look, miss a spot in the front. Miss a spot in the front. Catch that. Gotta catch that. I'm trying to not be so heavy-handed, but I can't, And she got sensitive scalp anyway. She tender-headed. Look at that. How that's laying down? Tell me that don't look that it looked too greasy. For my liking at least. I don't know. Look at that. Ooh, it's shining off the so anyway. Put that in, comb it through. Simple process. We're just trying to make sure we don't miss any hairs. Cause and honestly the hair was originally like a natural brown type tint. So I don't know why the girl at the store told me to get the black, but I mean, I figured she knows what she's talking about. And it came out good anyway, so I guess she do. Yeah, so now I'm just combing through. Like I said, I want to make sure I got all of that brines, orangey. I guess we just gonna go with brines. Get all that brines out of it. But look at that. Ooh, tell me that boy don't look like he know what he doing, huh? What? Here we go. Time to rinse her out. Got to take my T-pins up out of the styrofoam. I think with that styrofoam it's like nails in the chalkboard that kept making my skin crawl. But, it is what it is. The people need to see this, man, because somebody out there hurting and struggling. All right, so here it go. Rubber meets the road. Cold water, cool water. Roll them sleeves up because now we about to get dirty. You know what I'm saying? Run that water through the hair. Make sure it get through all that. Look at the zinc. See all the color of the zinc look purplish. I guess it's black. Anyway, you can see that extra whatever come up out of there. Look at that. Look at that. Tender, 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 tender love, tender touch. Get the people what they want right there. See, it's still coming out. That squeeze. Squeeze right there. See like that? See my technique? Rub, 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 squeeze. Right there, see? And I rub them through there. Then I get my I don't know if I comb this one, I'll brush it out or whatever, just to make sure I get them kinks up out of there. Right? That, I use the brush. There it is. I use the brush to get that, you know. Like I said, I'm kind of obsessed with the human hair because that synthetic make you don't want to love it no more. You know what I'm saying? All right, so yeah, what I did now is I just added my I'm shampooing it again, just to make sure. Why am I shampooing again? I don't know. I saw somebody else, a girl at the hair store. My little friend Kay at the hair store told me this is what you're supposed to do. Am I supposed to? I don't know. I just listened to it and I was like, all right, I'm gonna shampoo it again. And what I didn't do the first time when I washed the lace, I didn't put the conditioner in there. So this second time I washed it, then I added the conditioner because I didn't do that the first time. The conditioner leave the hair in a nice little soft fluffiness to it. That's what I'm gonna call it. Pretty sure there's a literal term for this. Like, man, look, one thing I'm gonna say about hair, it's a million things you gotta know about this stuff, man. Like, who knew? Like, I didn't. How would I know? I don't know. I just know if I go out on a date, I'm always waiting. Like, why are you late? I was doing my hair. I get it. You know what I'm saying? I get it. Anyway, calling them naps out. She ain't got naps because it's Brazilian. Brazilian bundles. I'm a fan. Look at that. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, so, after I go through the process, washed it, left that conditioner there for like 5 minutes. I think that's what the bottle said. I laid it on one of my good towels. This one of my good towels. I put it on my good towel. Because, they deserve the best. So I rolled it up. Now, is this a technique you should use? I don't know. I just roll Bay up in that good towel. to get some of that excess water off, because these like supposed to be like some type of hotel microfiber 10,000 count spreadsheet towel. So I just rolled her in there, get that out of there. Then I left her right there on the edge of the zinc to chill. You sit right there. Yeah, look at that. I was so proud of myself, y'all. Y'all just don't know. So anyway, look. Fast forward to about, well, this video almost over. Y'all might as well stick here if you stuck around this whole time. And I greatly appreciate it. You really don't know. So look, I'm going to show y'all the after. Y'all saw the before. Y'all want a before and after? I'm just going to show y'all the after. Look at that. Put her back on the styrofoam. Look at that. She ain't bronze no more, huh? Yeah, but I had to let her dry too, though. I had to let her dry. She ain't bronze no more, though. That's what I wanted right there. Bleached them knots, messed up, came back, and corrected the situation. That's what we came here to accomplish, and mission accomplished. Look at that. Ooh. Rub them fingers through right here. The whole bleaching knots, I don't know about that, but it's a simple process. If I could do it, anybody can. One.